Hello, my name is Amber Fox, and this is Lapu Bio 225 General Microbiology. Today's date is January 23rd, 2025. This is Lab 1, Aseptic Technique and Use of Media. Number 1. I'm going to set this aside. Here, my flame is already lit. I have my culture bacteria vial here. I have my tryptic soy broth here in the holder. I also have my alcohol that I have aside from my flame. And then I have my pipette. All right, so first I'm going to remove the rubber stopper. Or I did remove the metal band already. Okay, so I'm going to grab my pipette, keeping it sterile, and then I'm going to remove the cap from the broth, keeping that sterile and in my hand as well. I'm going to run the mouth of the soy broth over the flame, just to make sure there's no bacteria there. I think I did that correct. All right, so now I'm going to, and by the way, that's called flaming the mouth of the culture tube. So now I'm going to hold my tube at an angle, and using the pipette, I'm going to remove 1 ml of broth. Whoops, fail. Okay. Then I'm going to flame the mouth of the culture broth again. Okay, now I'm going to recap the broth tube. All right, there we go. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. And now I'm going to remove the vial cap. It's not as easy as it looks. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to insert the contents into my vial. Okay. And I'm going to recap it, letting it sit for about 30 seconds. I want to make sure that the solution and the bacteria that's in the vial is set and mixed together. And after about the 30 seconds, I'm going to go back into that vial and squeezing my pipette so that I don't allow any air or introduce any air into the vial, and just kind of mix it up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to remove that, squeeze my pipette, insert it, and just kind of just mix it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the contents of the vial. Okay, set that aside, and I'm going to insert the contents, but first I'm going to flame the mouth of my tube again. Okay, and I'm going to insert the solution there. Flame the mouth of the tube once more. Okay, and I'm going to recap the tube, not too tight. Just allowing air to enter, but no contaminants. And that concludes my presentation of aseptic technique and use of media, which is also aseptic reactivation of a lyophilized culture.